What's going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I did this cute little black eyeshadow chill look for a vibe. You know, I'm just trying to still get into fall just a little bit. So if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis.
So my boo, we are going to be jumping right into it. I'm going to be actually starting off with my face because I just want to just hurry up and get this face out the way or whatever. I already have my skin routine and everything on, so all I have to do is just do some primer. So we're going to be jumping into the Hourglass Bell primer. I'm just going to be laying this on with like a MAC. This is like one of my MAC brushes. But yes, honey, this morning, child, like I almost thought I broke my camera and I didn't, thank you Jesus. But we're going to be jumping into the One Size, the BB cream. This is in the color Dark 2G. But child, I was so like, my husband came in. I got on his nerves really, really bad, child. I got on his nerves and was looking at me like he was mad. So we got it together. Whatever, we got it all done. The reason why I was just going so crazy today, I think it was because I have also been really, really busy, and I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for the busy, but child, I've been tired. You know what I'm saying? Oh, real quick, this was the Jouer Amber. I'm still using the same kind of stuff. I just been on my same little chill stuff lately. This morning was crazy. I was just like, oh my God, my camera is trying to break. All this stuff is just trying to happen, and I don't need it to be happening. I don't need it to be going on. I think another thing that I have learned this morning with like things like messing up all at once and you just getting so overwhelmed, I think for me, I have learned just as hard as it is to get up and go to a job that you don't even like, it's just as hard doing something that you love to do. It's just as hard. Child, you know you're gonna have to keep going through this because this is what you want to do. Like, shut up. And I'm like, no, like, fuck this shit. That's how I was this morning. Like, I was going crazy this morning. That's why I was like, I'm a little flustered. Say no. But yes, boo, what's big? What you been doing, child? You know what I'm saying? Like me, you feel me? You already know. You know what I mean? Stacy is staying out the way. I want to put on my blush now while they dry. But Stacy been definitely staying out the way. You know what I'm saying? Staying close to God. But yeah, y'all, it was just crazy today. And I just was on some stuff like, you better get him, I'm ready to fight. I'm ready to rumble. Kicking my ass, kicking my ass, kicking my ass. Like I'm just getting my ass kicked this morning. Like, then why I wake up with stomach cramps this morning. I mean, can I get a break? Just a little one. I don't need no big break. I just need a little break, you know? That's because, child, the devil be busy. But you know what he say? Touch my anointed, do my prophets no harm. That's what he said. It's like, no, but other than that, boo, I'm doing good. Getting ready for fall. You know, fall is definitely the vibe. You know what I'm saying? Oh, is that laying through all, look, through all the devil tried to do to me this morning. Look at the lay. We here. And we ain't going nowhere. It's our turn. It's our turn to share. What Miss Tony say? She say something like that. I forgot, but that was the shot. I used to like that. Child, I'm putting on some contour, then that's some Myrix, letting this dry down. I'm like really feeling like I'm in this season of God revealing who I am and what I need to change. And I feel like I have to actually be a little bit slow to anger. A lot of the times I just get real upset. And especially when I'm like very passionate about something, I take my business very, very seriously. Because I take my business so seriously, I feel like God is just saying, allow me to handle certain things. Like, I need to allow him. I think I be thinking I'm allowing him, whole time I'm doing it on my own. When you be trying to do stuff on your own, it never works out, like, until you really just be like, you know what, I'm gonna just go with the flow with this. That's when things start to work. You feel what I'm saying? Let me put some Laura Mercier on. But y'all, yes, so definitely being more kinder to myself. I'm very hard on myself, and God is showing me to not be so hard on myself, because I be hard as hell. You know what I'm saying? Like, I promise to never be that hard on myself again. That was the lesson learned today. I hope you boos is not being out there being hard on yourself, because you don't have to be hard on yourself, child. Be grateful for where you at right now, because there's always somebody that wish they was right there. So just be grateful and be thankful. But yeah, other than that, I'm so ready for the fall. That's why I want to do like a nice fall look on my eyes today, and I'm wearing black and red or whatever like that, because we're actually putting a dress back onto the site that my boos wanted so bad. They was like, come on, where's the dress, where's the dress? And I was like, all right, wait a minute, boo. So I'm gonna shoot some content for my dress that my boos requested, because you know they be saying like, girl, where is the shit? Why did you take it off? Who told you to take that off? I'm like, I'm sorry, okay, we only took it off for a little minute, just for a little minute. Don't do me like that. It was just for a little minute. I'm a little crazy. Don't pay me no mind. You love me, I love you. All right, let's jump into these eyes real quick. So we're going to be taking this P. Louise. This is actually in the Rumor 6 base. This is my favorite. I got to re-up on all my little P. Louise stuff. It really has helped me so much with eyeshadow. I used to be so scared to blend because my stuff used to be so muddy and stuff, but it actually really helped me. You know what I'm saying? I haven't did a black eyeshadow in a while, so I'm thinking about doing some black eyeshadow, but do it like not like a full black eyeshadow, but just like a nice black eyeshadow tone. So we gonna see how we gonna rock this. We gonna be jumping into my favorite Norvina palette, jumping into a real black. I can't really show it like that, but it's this black. This is a mess. I know this is a mess, but I'll never let this go. Okay, hold up, wait, boo. Did you all hear about the guy from Blindside suing the mom, saying he ain't never get no money, no nothing? Ain't that some child? They just took that man money like that.
What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed.
Tap on it, but keep it close to where it just won't go all over the place. But yes, honey child, that was crazy about the person from Blindside, girl. And then y'all had a nerve to like make sure all y'all kids was cool. I hope he get all that money, because you know what's so crazy? God has a way of people swearing they got you and they don't. You feel what I'm saying? Like, they really don't. Real quick, I'm gonna jump into this Mima Mitchell. This is in the color, what color is this? Door is Day. Yeah, like I said, like, child, you ain't doing nothing. Like, he's gonna get all that money back. And he was a football player, so he was already rich. So now, not only did God bless him, he about to get more money, because y'all called yourself thinking y'all was just going to just use him for his money. And then had a nerve to have in the movie, remember in the movie, they was all like having the interviews and they was all mad, acting like it was their fault, and then had a nerve to have a black lady. You had a nerve to have a black lady trying to make it seem like you wasn't the bad person, but you was. But that's okay, because he still became a football player, still was getting $1 million, because God still preserved him. You know, the Lord will still preserve his people. Y'all be thinking y'all not doing that, and I'm just saying, like, that was just crazy. You know, usually I don't really talk about stuff on here, but listen, that was crazy. Like, yeah, I said, you know what? I want to fight it all a little bit. Like, seriously, like, rumble me. Let me zoom you in a little bit. I'm about to get on these. Alright, next I gotta do my inner corner, because you know I be liking that inner corner, baby. I just think that's so cute. Bring it up a little bit. I was gonna do black, but I don't think I want black. I think I want to do white. So I'm gonna take some of this blink canvas, this right here. And then real quick, I'm gonna take this is honey. And I'm gonna take honey and I'm gonna just put honey over. Let me put some mascara on my eyes. My eyelashes is long too. I have beautiful eyelashes. I get it from my mammy. I know how to end it. But I want to like a binge it. It's your man, girl. You can fuck it. It's like, no, I'm sorry. Child, I get goofy. Let me put on a lash. I'm actually using these Juliana Ardell lashes. I used them in my last video. I said my next. I might. And all right, my boo, so really quick, I went and jumped on my clothes because my battery just died. So now we're going to be jumping in lip. So for lip, I'm going to do the Morphe settings the Morphe line lip, just like that, something real fast. Then I'm going to jump into this lime crime, this right here, and like sit this in the middle. I'm going to jump into this private party and mix it. And then do some setting spray. I'm gonna do some Better Than Skin. Woohoo! I'll do a little shimmer. Child, while I'm about to try this gold P. Louise. Oh, that did pretty good. Shut your mouth. I never even knew this could be a shimmer. And I always do some down here. I don't know why. This is just what I do. I don't know why, but I think I want my lip a little bit lighter. Just a little bit, y'all. Just a little bit. I be liking that light pink lip. See? I hope you guys love this look and loved how this look came out, because I'm really feeling this look. If you are, don't forget to smash the like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell button too. So my boo, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching me and watching me grow. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace. I get higher than the odds.